Facebook Live. Good morning. It's Marcus here. It is Tuesday morning, going live right now. Got a bunch of things going on here at the restaurant. But the one thing that we've been trying to do all month is give away this GoPro camera. This GoPro camera is a prize. It's a first place prize in the No Peeking. The No Peeking is a game we play every December. So if you came to eat with us in December, this is how you get this envelope. If you came to eat with us, dine with us in December, you were given a No Peeking. We gave out hundreds and hundreds of these No Peeking. You would take the envelope home. A lot of you have these envelopes still. In fact, the grand prize winner's still out there. You have to bring these in sealed. They have to come back sealed. You come sit down in the restaurant, you order your food, and then our staff, one of our team members, will open this up and reveal the prize that's inside. There's two prizes. One is for March. It's our bounce back offer for March. You save a certain percentage to come back in March. And the other one is a savings right then and there. $100 gift cards, the GoPro, or a percentage off. Everything's listed on there as prizes. If you have one of these red envelopes, No Peeking envelopes, the last day to use these is February 13th. Thursday, February 13th is the last day to use these. So you have today, Tuesday, we're closed Wednesday, so two opportunities left to use these, all right, and that's it. The GoPro is still out there. If you come in with this, with the seal broken, you are disqualified, okay? So make sure this comes in to the restaurant, totally sealed as you got it. We open, you order, we open. That's how this game plays. It's the most popular game we have every year, contest. We've given away a lot of food, a lot of percentages off. Just so you know, the percentages are listed there as most of the prizes are. I think it starts at 10 or 15%. We never give away the bottom number because we want everybody to feel like they won something more than last place. But everybody's a winner, so you can start at 15% and go up. There's a ton of 30% winners this year. That means if you come in, spend $100, we will give you $30 off, $30 off, 30% off of $100. So if you spend $50, that's $15 off. There's a ton of 30% winners, lots of 25% winners, and there's $100 gift cards. I think we might have given away one $100 gift card. There's still more in there, and then the GoPro camera. I'm kind of liking this camera, but I'm trying to give it away. I have a lot of cameras already that we do all our videos in, but this is a nice camera. I kind of bought this camera hoping that someday it would be mine, but we're trying to give it away, folks. So help us give it away. If you come in Thursday night, we are getting very busy on Thursday night. Make a reservation. It's a day before Valentine's Day, 647-3000. It's a day before Valentine's Day. We are getting busy. Valentine's Day, we have very few reservations left, and it's Friday night. Every restaurant's gonna be busy. We have very few reservations left. We have people reserving the bar, which we typically do not do. But if you come in either Thursday or Friday night, the 13th or 14th, we will plant a tree for you in Australia. That is our new planting program for one of our promotion we're doing for Valentine's Day and the day before the 13th. Every couple that comes in, we will plant a tree for you in Australia. So the 13th and 14th. Folks, the 13th, Thursday night is filling up already. I would call, if you want to come out for Valentine's Day, call us for the 13th, for the Thursday night, 647-3000. Book your reservation. Every couple, we plant a tree. We're hoping to plant 50, 60, 70 trees in between those 2 days in Australia. We plant over 500 trees a year right now currently. This promotion will boost that maybe up to 600. I'm not quite sure, but we are getting a lot of trees planted every year now. Every month we tally up all the organic bottles of spirits that we buy. We have great organic bourbon, rye, organic vodka. We have a bunch of organic spirits, organic cordials. We have all these organic spirits. For every bottle of organic spirits we buy, we plant a tree. People come in now, they're like, I want to order something organic. I want to help plant a tree. So we do have a special menu. That's our organic cocktail menu, our planted tree menu. You can order off of there, and that helps accelerate that program. Our well vodka is organic. So every time you order which is an awesome vodka, Granger, really good vodka. By no means is it well pricing to us. It costs almost double of what we were paying for our previous well vodka. But it's certified organic. It's an amazing product. So that's the deal with that. So come in, No Peeking. GoPro is still out there. You can take it home right then and there. When you come in with this, you can take it home right then and there. All right, folks, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Everybody have a great weekend, great Valentine's Day, and we'll talk to you later.